I know a lot of people was trying to figure out what type of vitamins to take during this COVID-19. So we was driving around and we saw this family pharmacy here in our neighborhood, and they had like a little Corona 6-pack thing with vitamins. And I'm gonna share it with you guys. The first one is quercetin. It says take one capsule twice daily with food. The next one is reactive zinc. Take one capsule daily with food. The third is the buffered vitamin C. It says take two capsules twice daily with food. And number four, let me see if I can pronounce this. It's a N-acetylcysteine. All right, forgive me if I pronounced it wrong, but it says take one capsule daily with food. You may increase it twice daily if you are COVID positive or have a low immunity. The next one is vitamin D3, 5,000 IU. Take one soft gel daily with food. May increase to two soft gels daily if you are COVID positive. And the last one is the B complex plus. It says take one capsule by mouth daily. May increase to one capsule twice daily if you are COVID positive. I'm going to show you what each individual pill looks like. So check this out. My wife is a nurse and she made it a little easier for everybody. So we bought these little organizers right here, pill organizers. You got your mornings and nights. So not to get too confused, just take all the pills in the morning and take the other ones at night. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.